guys, testing lang muna natin. So, as you can see, meron ako na-download na dito app. And, punta tayo sa dito app. Click nyo lang yan. And then, makikita nyo yung prepaid number, yung load balance, and yung expiration date ng SIM card. Meron dito tayong available calls na 300 minutes to other network. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang calls other network as well, worth 300 minutes. And then, yung available na lang ng data ko is 24.79 kasi tinatry ko siyang gamitin ngayon guys para makita ko yung effectivity ng product. And then dito, meron din kayo makikitang available SMS unlimited. So, meron kayong makikita sa screen, meron kayong buy promo. Ayan, meron silang promo which is 25 gig high-speed data. Meron din silang dito 99. So, pili lang kayo guys kung ano yung gusto nyong promo. And then, ayun na nga, meron din sila dito ang mga load which is 10, 30, 50, 100, 200, and 500. Meron din sila dito guys na share data from dito to dito. Makikita nyo, tapos type nyo lang yung number and then yung amount, parang same as GCash din. And then, load history. Ayan, makikita nyo, wala pa kasi hindi pa naman ako naglo-load. Network coverage, meron sila dito. As you can see, meron sila dun sa Agusan del Sur. Ayun yung mga provinces na kaya ng dito which is Bayugan City, Rosario, San Francisco, and Trento. So, meron na rin sila guys sa Bataan, Batangas, Bukidnon, Bulacan, Cavite, Cebu, Cotabato, North Cotabato, Davao de Oro, Compostela Valley. So, ayan. So, basically, browse nyo lang yan. Ito pa lang guys, yung mga available na coverage ng dito. And then, share history. Wala pa tayong history kasi hindi pa naman tayo nakaka 1 month. Meron din sila dito yung customer service. Pindutin nyo lang yung chat with us. Tapos yung more, ayan. Meron sila ditong main service, buy promo, buy load, share data. Meron din dito mga query, load history, share history, promo history, and then yung support sa bandang baba. So, ayan guys, as you can see, connected na tayo. Ito yung phone ko, Realme 6i, and connected na siya using the dito SIM. And then, cross ko lang kayo dito. Ayan, nag-download ako kanina ng OBS. Ayan siya. So, i-open ko lang siya. Mabilis din, nakapag-download ako ngayon ko lang kasi ito din-download para mapakita ko sa inyo later. So, as you can see guys, naka-laptop yung gamit ko ngayon. Nag-laptop ako today kasi wala ngayon si Converge, so wala kaming internet. Now, I'm using the dito SIM. So, try natin magklase. So, connected na siya guys dito sa aking Realme 6i. So, basically yan, pag naka-mobile hotspot ka. So, ayan. So, nagre-ready lang ako for my classes. As you can see, yan yung klase ko for today. And then, titingnan ko kung gaano ba siya kalakas kasi ito lang muna yung mga naka-open na browser sa akin. And update ko kayo habang nagkaklase kung nagda-down ba siya or okay lang siya. Medyo bumilis na siya ng very, very light. So, as you can see, nandito na ako sa classroom and wala pa yung student ko. So, mag-wait na lang muna ako ng student habang inaantay ko siya. So, as you can see, meron kung makikita nyo dito yung Wi-Fi. Usually, ang pinakamataas namin is 10 Mbps. But however, since I am using the dito SIM, so mobile hotspot, sobrang baba niya, 1.35 MB. So, imagine yung 10, tapos naging 1.35. So, sobrang baba talaga niya. Okay, thank you. And let's go to page number 3. Get the correct form of the verbs in the parentheses. Do not refer to the passage until you finish the text. If you can see the answer, if you want to, type it.
Our dog left and set aside our front face and part. Every time we want to come into the garden, we park until someone opened the gate. As the neighbors complained of the noise, my husband spent weeks training into rescues all along to let himself eat rest. So became an expert at opening the gate. However, when I went out shopping last week, I noticed in the garden near the gate. This time he was parking so that someone would let him out. Instead, he has developed another method. As soon as he opens the gate and from outside, he comes into the garden and waits until the gate shuts. And then he sits and parks until someone let him out. After this, he eventually let himself in and began parking again. Yesterday, my husband had removed the gate and got so annoyed we have not seen him since. Okay, thank you. Write this sentence again. Change the form of the verb or words in italics. Only any words that are not necessary. He is very rich. there is a hold up on the road. She gave a pen. I gave a price. Like, promise a new office.
So to order ask to, so that order that. You're on into the station, going to the station. You're on the station to train. I go in, I go in order coffee. Sorry. I opened the door quietly, I didn't know this room. I opened the door quietly, so as not this room. He works hard in order that he passed 6 times. He left the letter on the table, wanted to see it. He left the letter on the table in order that I might or should see it. He was working, wanted someone to let him out. He was working for someone to let him out. See? If he sent a fax, he wanted to learn good news. He sent a fax, order, please learn my should learn the good news. He sent a fax, learn good news. Now I wanted to join the following sentences, leaving out the verb to want in these sentences.
He left early. He did not. She told us to meet me. The secretary asked me into the office so that the manager can speak to me. I went to the station so as to not be late. And he worked hard in order to learn English. He has not sent me his address so that he doesn't try to meet him. I went to see him to find out what had happened.
So what had happened? So vision 4, comprehension, structure, and vocabulary. The writer has not trained to open the because.
Let's go get him.
One of the statements is true. Which one?
B.
He will tell someone to open the gate. That one. That's what he
Used to do.
the neighbors will gain. Blank the noise.
2.
The very about. Okay, the writer went last week.
Which shopping?
He was working and let him in.
So that someone
Okay. As soon as the gate from outside, he comes into the garden.
opens.
Vocabulary must and makes me to practice one lunch.
Reading.
Next being the next word is very.
Snoopable.
And blank came into the garden.
Looking in the garden.
Okay, look or maybe observe is to say. He has developed another bad habit. And also remove the gate in blank.
Looking away.
Okay, join the sentence and you can check your answer against the sentence.
And then he sits and parks for someone that came out.
Okay, thank you. We still have 4 more minutes to go. How's your vacation, Jason?
Okay.
How do you went on vacation or do you go to hotel? I don't know.
No.
I stay there at the house.
Yes.
We still have 3 more minutes. Do you want to leave or do you want to stay?
Right.
Stay. That man. Let's do that word.
Yeah.
I get it. Okay, now. So, check natin guys kung gaano nakadami yung nakuha niyang data. So, ayan, lagi siya may lumalabas na ganyan. So, as you can see, 24 siya kung makikita nyo before. And then now, yung available data na lang niya is 23.05. So, nagklase ako ng 6 classes. And yan lang yung nakuha niyang data. And as of the moment, yes, maganda siya. And hindi naman siya naglalag. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. Pwede kayong gumamit guys ng D2C mobile hotspot in case na mawalan kayo ng internet. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin through your laptop. Connect nyo lang sa inyong mobile hotspot using your phone and makakapag-klase rin kayo online. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. I'll see you again on my next one. Bye!